You have a bunch of photos and you want to create a reel. Well, guess what? You're in luck. No longer do you have to struggle trying to time your reel just right so that it goes along with the music. Now you can quickly and easily make reels using photos in under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how in this video.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. My adorable niece recently turned 1, so I got some adorable photos and now I want to create a reel out of that. The quickest and easiest way to make a reel out of photos is to look for a template. A template allows you just to insert the photos. It's going to time them perfectly for you. The music's all there and you can just upload in seconds. So the hardest thing when trying to create a reel with photos is finding this template. So we're going to start by looking for our template. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos that I can use. So for Instagram Reels, when you're picking the photos, you want to make sure that they're vertical photos, so long photos. If they're horizontal, it's not going to show up and you're not going to have as much control of them. I'm going to show you that in a sec. So first thing you do is you go over to your Instagram and you want to find one of these templates. You're going to go into the Reels tab, which is on the bottom, and then you're going to look through your Reels. What you're looking for is something that says use template. So you're looking for something that you like the sound of and it includes as many photos as you have. So if it needs like 20 photos and you only have 5, it's not going to work as well. You want to make sure that it has the right one. So I'm going to keep going until I find a template. Okay, this one's cute. Now I want to find out how many images I'm going to need for this one. So I can press use template and then I can see on the bottom here how many images I'm going to need. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't have enough for this one. But if I like this one and I want to use it maybe later, click on the 3 dots and then save it. And then this way I know that if I have a reel with 10 images, I save my time looking for one because it's already saved and I can access it. Okay, so let's keep going. So I found a template that I like, and so I'm going to use it by pressing use template. And you see here that it has a few more clips than I need, but I'm going to test it out anyway to see it's going to work with what I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can add, let's not add that one. So yeah, you can see when I add that 6th one. So let's see, it's going to generate your reel for you. See, the last one is going to show up as horizontal. It's not going to look as good because it's going to have the black borders on the top and the bottom. Start again and add my photos again. There we go. So now you can see it's going to generate that reel for me. This is so cute. It actually turned out quite well. So there is my reel with photos. I don't have to worry about editing anything else, but I can go next here. So there you have it. I didn't actually have to create any of the elements for it. It just edited it for me and it created this adorable reel of my niece eating cake, which, oh, she's so sweet. Okay, so I can just press next. Edit my cover, choose which frame I want as my cover. You can see here that when I look at my cover, the image looks a little squished. Don't worry, it won't be squished when you're actually posting this. And then I can share that if I want. I'm just going to save that to my drafts. And I have my reel created in less than 5 minutes. I also suggest that when you're in Reels and you see a template that you like, you do press save. So to save it, you just click on the 3 dots and save. And then when you want to create a reel quickly, all you do is you go to your profile, the 3 lines, go to saved, and then all posts. And then you just switch the tab up top so it's on Reels. And then you have your templates all ready to go. and you can decide which one you want with your current photos and then just add your footage to it. You can now create Instagram Reels from photos in minutes. You're probably gonna want to check out this video where I explain more about how to add photos to your Instagram Reels. I hope you have a great day, and until next time, peace!